I'm Mrs. Prince. I'm the third grade teacher here at Calvary Christian School, and I'd like to welcome you to my classroom. Hopefully you've already received an email from me with detailed information that we usually go over on open house night, and I hope in the next few weeks you have a chance to look through that at your leisure. Students will all be getting the green folders like they've had in the past, and that'll be our communication folder. Each week I'll give you a newsletter and just kind of highlighting what we'll be doing in the classroom, and also just any special dates or events, special activities that will be going on, just to keep you informed. I also will be using Remind this year. Some of you have used that with other teachers in the past, and it's just a way I can send you either an email or a text, whichever you prefer, letting you know about upcoming tests. Things like if we have a special day, sometimes we do something called Flashlight Friday, and students would need to bring something from home on those days. And just in the busyness, a little extra reminder helps all of us. So I'll be using that this year, and I look forward to hearing from you. If you prefer text, just send me an email and I will change that. Let's take a look at our classroom. One thing you'll notice when you come is that we don't have many desks yet. We were blessed with some new desks coming, and they just haven't shipped yet. So students will not be able to put their books in their desk if you're coming in the next few days. Just put your supplies in your locker. So you see our calendar board. We have book bins this year in the window, a work table. Our behavior charts are back on the door. And then some of our more book bins. Our bookshelf, I have books for us to read around. You could see turn-in area at my desk and our smart board. So I'm really excited. I can't wait. It seems not only empty because there aren't desks, but it's very empty without my students here. So I'm looking forward to each one of them, and I will see you very soon. Bye.